Welcome to Hoover's History, and what we're going to be doing throughout the year is a couple of snippets, actually approximately, I think we got up to about 90 short snippets last year. And this is a book, it's a Daily Spark book, and it's got short little brief like titles to it, and then situations and questions. So that's what we're going to be talking about throughout the year. And I found this is a good way to get the class started as a bell ringer, Daily Spark, but also a discussion. Sometimes I'll have you write about it, but most of the time we'll just go ahead and discuss it as a class. So the first one, by the way, before we get into this is where I usually do this, is out in the garage. This is what I'm working on right now. So this is a jig that I'm making with flags. I started up that this summer. And then we have over here, we have our station that we're working on it's a telephone book stand, I believe is what it is, and we're refinishing that. So I refinished a couple of pieces this summer as well. So throughout these videos, you're going to be able to see me doing other things and activities around the house, and it could be, I don't know, out for a walk with the dogs. I think we got ourselves Beating the Heat series there, so that's a pool situation. I think I'm on vacation in Florida on one of them, but anywhere but the classroom. So that's what I want you to go ahead and understand, that learning doesn't take place it only takes place in one particular place. Learning always takes place in the actual brain itself. That's it. So it doesn't matter where you go, where you're at, and what time of day it is. Learning is always happening. All the time. Believe it or not, like it or not, you're always learning. So one of my sayings is, the day you stop learning is the day you stop living. So just try to learn something new, one thing new every single day. So let's go ahead and get this kicked off, and this is going to be number one. So discovering America. So we already know the story of Christopher Columbus. Hopefully you know the story of Christopher Columbus. We actually have Columbus Day after him. I'm not particularly a big fan of Christopher Columbus. There's a couple of reasons why. We'll get into that later. But we already understand that. Well, let's see if you could give me a couple of things. One, I'd like to tell me, can you tell me what nationality he was? That's number one. Number two, who'd he sail for? And if you could give me the king and queen's name, that'd be great. But what nation did he sail for? So I got his nationality, who'd he sail for? What else? How many voyages did he actually have to the Americas? What happened on his last voyage when he returned back to the nation that actually sent him out? What's another thing? Could you name me the three vessels that he had on his first voyage? That'd be a good one. We already know 1492 he sailed the ocean blue. It's a nice little poem about that. But let's talk about the Native Americans that's going on here. So Christopher Columbus is often credited with discovering America, even though that could be argued. There's other countries out there that could actually get credit as well for discovering America first. Although that he landed, discovered, was already inhabited, so there were people already here. Imagine that you are one of the Native Americans. Now, you should already understand what the word native means. So you might be native to, well, you're a native Hoosier. Let's put it that way. Americans who live, these are Native Americans who are living in North America when Columbus arrived. So you are one of the Native Americans, and here comes Christopher Columbus. You later learn that he has taken credit for the discovery of your home. I want you to go ahead and write your response to his claim, okay, for his claim that he basically had discovered America when you're already there. That's what I want you to do. And instead of writing, we can go ahead and talk about it, discuss it. Sometimes we get a lot deeper than that, and then other people will actually interject and have other ideas as well. And we bounce those back and forth in the classroom. And I get to hear those and then interject as well myself. So it's a good, like a round robin, it's a circle of discussion. And shouldn't last no more than 10 minutes. Okay? So as I always end these, I want you to have a wonderful day.